Hi, I'm Charlotte Patrick, and welcome to Gravity Junction's tutorial section. In today's video, we'll be covering how to add your YouTube video to your real estate property listing. So let's get started. Once you find the video that you want on YouTube, you will then scroll down to where it says Share. Click on that, and you'll have several different options here. You want to check the very first little circle that says Embed. Then you will take your cursor and copy this entire section. And let's go back over to your back end of your website. When you log into the back end of your website, you will see the dashboard on the left-hand side. You want to select Listings. And let's just pull up the very first one, Mango Creek Plantation, and we're going to click Edit. Now, you're going to scroll almost all the way down to where you see Enter Video or Video Tour Embed Code. You will just place the code right here. And the most important functionality to remember is scrolling back up. And on the right-hand side, this is how we will update the listing. So we are going to press Update. Now let's go take a look at this listing to see where the video is placed. You will notice right at the top of this listing is going to be the direct link to that listing. So let's click on that and take a gander. Video or virtual tour would show up here in the third tab, descriptions, details, and then video and virtual tour in the third tab.